Good afternoon, everyone. This is Petros, occupational therapist from New York City. We're here at the AOTA conference in Kansas City with Fun Factory Sensory Gym and Therapy Talk. Looking forward to meeting each and every one of you.
I am Dr. Beverly Moskowitz, and I am the author of the Size Matters handwriting program. This is an evidence-based approach to teaching.
Then I'm going to close it. I want to see if you can get out. We have these safety zipper pockets too.
So it's the same concept. There's 3 modes.
Good morning. It's so nice to be here. Yes, this is Cubby Beds. This is a pediatric sensory safety bed.
Well, I've been an occupational therapist for almost 50 years now. I work in pediatrics.